Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A31 and today I will show you how to add a fingerprint. So, number one, if you already have a pattern, as I do, as you can see right here, you'll skip one step, or basically one step. But if you do not, when you're trying to set up your fingerprint, it will basically prompt you to set up any kind of way of unlocking the device apart from the fingerprint. So let's get started by going into fingerprint, face and password right here, and then fingerprint. So number one, here it basically prompts me to confirm it. So all I need to do is draw, but if you don't have any kind of pattern set, when you tap on the add finger, you will now see a method that you basically, I think it's a 4-digit pattern that will tell you to put in, but you can tap on the greenish text to basically choose another way of unlocking, and you will have a choice between PIN, pattern or password, one being a PIN as in 4 or 4 to 8 digits, something like that, and then a alphabetical password. So choose whichever one suits you, and once you set it up, you will then be presented with this screen. So all we need to do now is just start tapping our finger on the sensor that is located on the back. And you want to get a good read of your entire finger from every angle. So however you tap on the sensor, it will unlock it. Just quickly finish it. There we go. So now it's done. Continue, and the finger has been enrolled. So now when you elect the device, you have two ways of unlocking the device, either through the pattern that I have set or through the fingerprint, so you can see. So that is basically how you would add a fingerprint, and if you found this pretty helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.